Hi guys, it's Hila here from Saturday Night Station. Welcome to my channel. Today's post is super quick because I am ridiculously beyond excited. It wasn't a filming day today, but I just really want to share this. So as you may or may not know, I absolutely loved Burda February 2020 and I went gaga over this particular style. And I've been daydreaming about this design and getting all of these ideas. And then it culminated in me doing a little sketch, which I shared on my community page about the vision that I kind of have for it. And the vision is based on a Japanese Kokka fabric. Now, there's a little story behind this fabric, which I've just collected. They attempted to deliver it yesterday, but they couldn't. So I arranged to go and pick it up at Matalan. And I've just come back from Matalan, and they also happen to have a sale on there. And I got this. How adorable is this hat? This was on sale. It had gone down from £6 to £2, and I love it. It's like I'm warm, but I'm also a unicorn. And I felt like it was meant to be because today I'm wearing my McCall's Tracy Reese dress layered over a roll neck, and I think it goes well together. Wouldn't you agree? I think so. So yeah, I feel like everything has just been falling into place for me today, which is pretty awesome. But anyway, back to the Kokka fabric that is going to become that. This fabric caught my eye when I saw a lovely lady wearing it at Frock Tales last year. And I went up to her and I asked her, I was like, I'm so sorry, I don't mean to stalk you, but I want to find out where you got that fabric from because the dress that you have on is amazing. And then she told me that it was a Japanese Kokka fabric, and I went to look for it online. Now, it is sold out in most places in the United Kingdom, unfortunately, the color that I wanted. So I luckily found a small shopping boutique called Nunoya. I think it's called Nunoya. I'm just opening this as I speak. It's called Nunoya, which is based in Spain. And I gotta say, I am super impressed by the shipping for this company because I ordered this on Friday and today is Tuesday and they attempted delivery yesterday. So I was just like, wow, I was not expecting that at all because coincidentally, last week, Monday, I ordered an Otobri Kids Summer. I'll just show it to you. So this is a one-take video. I'm not going to be doing any editing. So I ordered this because I fell in love with it. I'll do a separate video about this one because I'm going to be sewing quite a few things from there. So I ordered this and this took about 10 days to arrive, and that's from Finland, which is also in Europe, and this came from Spain, and it literally arrived on the Monday, and it wasn't for the mess up with the delivery, it would have been here sooner. So they're called Nunoya, and I'll put a link in the description box down below. And they had like so many beautiful Japanese fabrics. I was just like, which one to get? So what I have promised myself is that when I sew with this and I complete the project, then I'm allowed to go back and buy some more fabric from there. But yeah, it's always nice to discover a new little fabric shape. But this is the fabric. So this fabric comes in different colorways. It's got a navy and it's got a mustard and it's got a beige one. So I did spend quite a while deciding what I wanted to get, and I decided to go with the fuchsia. And that's because my favorite lipstick color is kind of like, it's a bit like this. Actually, it's the shade that I was wearing today. Some of it has come off because it's the afternoon. But yeah, it's a needle cord. And so it's called Kokka, Kokka, I believe. So actually, truthfully speaking, I wanted the navy colorway, but they only had 1.3 meters of the navy, and the pattern requires 1.8 meters of fabric. So I was just like, do I risk it? Do I not risk it? And I decided not to risk it because this is also quite slightly pricey fabric. So I got 1.8 meters. So that's the other nice thing about this place, actually. You can order your meters exactly to the 0.25, 0.75 meters, which is pretty cool. So it makes it a little bit more efficient. And I thought the postage and packaging was reasonable as well. So I got this one. But then I also, if you notice on my diagram, I'm showing sort of like a contrasting fabric. So initially I thought I could have the fuchsia and then the navy on one side. But then I thought, well, why not go proper full on pattern matching? No, pattern mixing. So I've got, can you see that? This is a needle cord fabric as well. I'm just going to try and get it to focus. No, it's a needle cord fabric and it's a floral. And I thought, how awesome would it be to kind of play around with mixing prints? And then the moment I thought about that, it was like, boom, that's what that is going to be. So I've ordered this one as well. So that should be coming to me in another couple of days. The pattern is already traced and I think that it is going to be awesome. So I'm going to do, for this particular project, because I'm so excited about it, I'm actually going to do like a series of posts about how, to get it together and how to sew it. I literally just thought of this now as I was recording this. But anyway, so this is what I am super excited about today. My new hat, which I got on sale. I always love grabbing things on a sale. And the arrival of the Japanese Kokka fabric. And this is just as gorgeous as I imagined it to be and as I remembered it when I saw it at Frock Tales. Okay, so this is going to be coming soon. It's going to be so epic. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe. I put out sewing related content. So for instance, I am off to record. Do I have enough time? I probably don't have enough time because I have to do the school run just now, but I'm going to be recording the browse through and the sewing plans that I have for the latest October magazine, which has got some really adorable patterns in it. Okay, so until I see you next time, guys, a happy sewing. Bye.